So it's time to pick the next winner of the TT Christmas giveaway, and today we're picking the prize for the Soundpeats True Free TWS earbuds. Now we are running a little bit behind, so we're going to be doing an extra 3 over the next couple of days to catch up, but this one here is just for the Soundpeats True Free wireless earbuds. For anyone that's new here, if you want to be in a chance with winning a prize this Christmas, I've placed a link down in the description below. We come on and pick a new winner every day, and there's prizes up until Boxing Day. You can see so far we have a huge amount of entries, but each person is able to get 800 entries and they can come back for daily entries, so you can keep coming back every day and give yourself more chance of winning. But it's time to pick the winner, so we're going to move on to the winners tab. As always, I need to blank out the details as I'm not going to give people's personal details out online. And you can see the last winner was Nancy, so a huge congratulations to Nancy. But it's time to re-pick the winner, so if we just go ahead and pick a new winner, let the system do its thing, and the next winner is S. Williams, so a huge congratulations to S. Williams. He's just won himself some Soundpeats True Free TWS earbuds, so a huge congratulations to him. If everyone could wish him a congratulations down in the comments below, and I'll contact him to try and get his details. But for anyone that didn't win, there's no need to worry because there are plenty more opportunities. But as always, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and good luck in the next giveaway.